The new rules do seem on the surface fairly familiar, but some of those rules are not as simple as they sound, and advocates say it's making it tougher on everyone involved. The Belrose Senior Living Facility in San Jose, like all other nursing homes, is working through the new state public health order, which includes requiring those visiting someone indoors to show proof of vaccination, as well as a booster if you're eligible for a shot, but also a negative COVID test with an antigen result from within a day, a PCR result within 2 days. For outdoor visits, only the negative test is required, with the same requirements for the antigen and PCR tests. The Belrose owner says that's a lot of enforcement responsibility to put on a staff for assisted living.
They're not seeing family members, so maybe they're not as active. And so we have to be, as a staff member, you have to be the family member. You have to be the emotional support. And so it is taxing on staff.
Regulations.
Mary Meehan is an advocate for a better choice for seniors in Campbell. She says she's been flooded with calls from families since the new rules were announced. The main complaint, how are they supposed to get those needed tests?
I think that the state needs to provide the tests to these communities. The communities are strapped and doing their best to serve our seniors. They can't be out shopping tests.
The reason they live with us is so that we can do the hard part, if you will, the care part, and that families now can focus on the emotional part and the loving part, and they need that connection.
The state also seemed to acknowledge there are a lot of other factors involved, such as test availability, that would require some tweaking. The new rules will be in effect for 1 month, and then on February 7th, the Public Health Department will decide whether to extend them or not. In San Jose, Robert Handa, NBC Bay Area News.
Thanks, Robert.